So I was telling her, it's either me or the kid. It's definitely... Wait. Dude. What the heck? Is this your vlog? What is going on, vlog? Alex, make sure to cut like the first part out. Hey, what's going on, vlog? I'm David Got Kicks. Welcome back to another Sneakerhead in the Bay vlogs.
You're recording on my camera?
Yeah, this is your camera.
Dude, I get it. You make videos now. It's great and all, but I'm on a Zoom meeting right now. Erica, hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm on a Zoom meeting right now, so can you just keep it down?
Okay, sorry. Wait, it's for work? So you did get the job?
I've been at the job.
You didn't tell me that.
I didn't tell them that.
Oh, you didn't. That's what you were talking about. Congrats. Facebook or... Oh,
it's Meta now.
Oh,
it's Meta.
The metaverse.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay, sorry.
Erica, are you back? Okay. The project would be a great addition to the portfolio. I know the client wants this by next week, so if you could have it to me midweek, that would be great. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then we'll send this over to John just so he could check the completion of the project, and then we can
You're goofy.
You're goofy, dude. Don't play with this meta shit. This is serious, man.
Oh, okay, sorry.
This is serious.
Okay.
Erica, I'm so sorry. I'm going to take my lunch, and then I'll give you another call. Okay, bye-bye. You like that?
That was good.
That was really like...
Did you hang up?
Wait, Erica? She's still on the phone.
Erica, he quits. He doesn't want to work with you. Erica, he's sleeping with your husband. Okay. But he didn't even dress as fancy when he went to my grandpa's funeral.
Oh yeah, I wore Jordan once. Hello everybody, good morning. This is Corporate Alex tuning in. We got the button up, the raw denim, and we have the Cole Haans on deck. We just finished a couple Zoom meetings. David grabbed the camera, so thank you for that. He's vlogging now. Very proud of you.
Surprisingly, huh?
Surprisingly.
Just dropped my second video in
the past week.
That's
really good. A lot of people are telling me to bring you back or convince you.
Bring me back, like from the dead?
Yeah, from the dead. Speaking of that. Okay guys, this is what a dead YouTube channel looks like. We need to revive it. Clear!
Holy moly! What is going on, vlog? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy David Got Kicks.
He's back.
Let's get this day started. So obviously we're on a trip right now. Alex is keeping the grind going. So he's working out and he brought this. Obviously, I know what this is. This is for being a secret spy and climbing on walls. Just kidding, it's not. This is what it's for. Ready? Hey, we're cooking now. You ever seen the Olympic sport? Or even shoes when you're walking in snow. Yeah? And you already seen Alex use these as a, to bring you back to life. Also the
monkey.
The monkey.
Is that it? We had like 50 of these yesterday.
We had like 50 of these yesterday, but yeah. They're really for push-ups though.
We're gonna get today started. Today, Colin is graduating, so we're doing a little shoot. Gonna get into some things. I think we gotta pick up Dustin soon, so let's head to the airport. Oh, yeah. I'm about to post this on Instagram right now. Been slammed with meetings all day, ready to get this work though. Oh my gosh, let's see how many people reply to this story. And I tagged Google headquarters because it looks like I have a tech job. This is tech job Alex right here. Let's see if people reply. So I finished up all the meetings earlier and now we are on our lunch break, Dustin.
Definitely.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hey,
what I missed? We had a couple Zoom meetings this morning. We reported Sarah to HR, so they're gonna deal with that, and then we're on lunch now.
I came at a good time then.
Yeah, you did. All right. You missed all the beefs this morning.
To be honest with you, work drama is not really my thing.
I know, well, Jared was being a dick earlier.
Dude, I called him HR on him last week.
He's still the same.
God. Like when I pass by, like going to my office, he just gives me a
I don't like that either.
I only like it when you do it.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, this Uber is crazy.
This Uber is crazy.
Obviously, you guys know Alex just started working for the, well, I don't want to say where exactly. Oh, the
Googleplex.
Metaverse. The Googleplex Metaverse. This is my first day Ubering. So they were actually the first clients. It's kind of crazy how we got it to work like that.
But we timed it.
Yeah, we did. Just dropping you guys off. That's kind of weird though, because then I have to go work after this.
We're out here in Little Tokyo right now. We're about to hit up an ice cream spot, check out some sneakers at Riv, and just kill a little bit of time because we're waiting for Colin to get here. We're gonna take his pictures and all that. It's so hot today though. Super hot.
Hey, remember when I jumped over this?
Yeah, you
have the clip?
I don't know. I might have to find it.
I don't think I can jump this one.
Actually, I think I can.
Probably. Dustin got hops.
We're inside Rift right now, and dude, like these have been growing on me. They look kind of funky, but I think I might get them. I don't know.
What do you think? These over those?
Over the Salehis?
Over the Salehi Crocs?
I don't know. I just need it. I feel like I need to try both. You know?
How much?
Oh, $225. And we get the employee discount because of Mr. Dustin.
If they have 2 pairs, I'll get one too.
Size 10.
I don't want them.
You have other sizes in this one?
What size you need? 11 or small?
There's no half size in there.
Just full.
You got an 11?
11?
Shout out to my Riff LA family for always taking care of me. I got those foam runners for stupid cheap. $100, bro. That's crazy. Make sure you guys check out Riff LA if you're ever in the area. Appreciate you guys so much. Hell yeah. Since it is hot as hell outside, we have to drop by Bay. This place is amazing if you guys want some soft serve. Highly recommend this place. We got Earl Grey and Cocoa Puffs right here. Fire.
All right, so this is some behind the scenes of Alex taking some photos of Colin, the 2022 graduate of FITM. Look at how amazing he looks. So Alex got the 70-200 G Master lens for the Sony.
Bro, it's so hot right now.
No, I'm sweating.
Come this way and then
Yo,
walk that way.
I'm sweating. It's
Come this
hot
way?
and I'm just standing here.
And then walk that way.
You want to be your shade? I can be your shade. I'm sure Alex will pop some of these photos up on the screen, but yeah. Can we get a close-up of your shoes?
Bust down.
We gotta do it in the sun so it blinds the camera. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Say hi to Alex's vlog.
Hello.
Today is Colin's graduation.
I have to make it there before 4.
Look at the back of his head.
Mike's off theater.
Comment down below. What is this?
Like for real, like can you see me wearing these?
Dude, anything looks good on this guy. Like I'm not even trying to gas you up.
These are sick. I actually had a pair, but I would actually wear these, but not for the price.
That's crazy, hell no. Okay, so we just picked up some shoes. This is my first time at Bodega where they told us that we can't film. That's crazy. But let me show you guys what we got. Woo! Who needs skunks when you got these? This was the last size 10, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get these. Perfect cop. Been spending a little bit of money here, but it's all good. Shout out Bodega. Not that dumbass worker though. Graduation is about to start. We just loaded in. This theater is crazy big. You ready for this? You have any messages for Colin right now? Very proud of you. We love you.
Always been proud of you, you know. Excited to see what life holds for you.
Congratulations on graduating. It's time to turn up, start making that bread, boy. I'm gonna put the camera down though. Good morning, everybody. Today is the following day. Yesterday, it was just, there's a lot of stuff going on, as you guys could probably tell. Once again, congrats to you, Colin, for graduating, and happy birthday to Ivan. Yesterday was crazy, and today is gonna be another crazy day. So I'm gonna end the video right here, show you guys what I picked up. So let's get to it. I know you guys already saw this in the video, but I figured I would show you guys an up close and detailed look at these. These are the Yeezy foam runners. I've always wanted to try them out, but yesterday we had an amazing opportunity to get these for the low. So huge shout out to my family over at Riff. Look, the consignment price is $300, and they sold it to me for 100 clammy clams. So huge shout out to the boy. You know who you are. And check this out. The inside of the box is actually what the outside of the box should be. So that's pretty cool. I did not know that. This is my first time picking up a foam runner ever, so.
Wow, so cool.
Pop the picture up from yesterday. Shut up.
I have a lot of explaining to do.
Shut up.
See that picture?
Shut up.
I was smiling.
No, you. Okay, comment down below, guys. If you made it this far in the video, was David smiling?
That's...
Yes or no in the comment section down below.
You know, and that's how I smile when I'm going through some stuff.
The DMs yesterday were crazy. They were just going in on David. Like,
Were they?
yeah, they were. One guy was like,
David, it's okay to crease your face.
Give me a side G. I'm gonna block him right now.
Okay. Anyways, back to the foam runners. If you guys haven't had a pair, I recommend going up a size. So these fit perfectly. I'm probably gonna bust these out today. And then yesterday, at the store we couldn't film at because that bitch.
Dude, just bleep it out.
I picked up these Air Max 1s. These are the Skunk Air Max 1s for 150 bucks. This was the last size. And I like these. I was like, man, they have my size as the last size. I think it's a sign to pick them up, so.
Oh, dude. They smell. Because they're skunks, right? Oh, did they just spray? Oh, dude.
So yeah, I picked these up. Pretty nice. Yesterday we kind of, we went a little crazy. Dustin got some shoes. Did you get anything?
I was gonna get the Hello Kitty Prestos.
Oh, but then you were like, nah.
If I see them today, maybe I'll get them.
Okay.
Okay.
David was looking at the Hello Kitty Prestos, which you would have seen, but that didn't let me record inside the store.
Yep.
But it's okay. Today's another day. We're gonna end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Check out David's vlogging channel because he's uploading more consistently on there now. That'll be linked down below. You can also check out my site, shopsotopia.com, for all your custom goods, hat benders, everything like that. And you can check out David's site for all your Croc Charm needs.
Wow.
We'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and
David got kicks.
we're out. Peace.